Okay, this is a trunk organizer by FORTEM. This thing is so cool. So this is the little pamphlet that came with it. Customer service information, 1-year warranty, which is awesome. Okay, so trunk organizer, it collapses to that big, which is so cool. And then you just unbuckle here, unbuckle on the other side, pop it open, and look at that. You fold this down, and you fold this down, and then you have a trunk organizer. It comes with a little microfiber towel. This one you can use to make this into 2 compartments instead of just 1. Right, you just attach it with the Velcro here. You have side pockets all around. Side pockets, and then their branding here, more side pockets, handles, and then this is an anchor. So you can attach it and it won't be sliding around your back seat. The lid is this guy, and it's just Velcro on each side. So you Velcro, and then you have this beautiful trunk organizer. I'm obsessed. It's very, very cool. Definitely recommend. I cannot wait to put this in my car. The FORTEM trunk organizer with cover.